Thank you, Amazon sellers. Thank you for learning how to work the dashboard. Thank you for having the nerve to develop your own brand, use IP Accelerator, get brand registry, and develop products and intellectual property that you actually own, regardless of what Amazon has to say. Why am I bringing this up in today's video? Because number one, I think this is your entire future. If you have not yet developed your own private label brand, start thinking about it right now. Number two, the number of sellers contacting us for brand protection, to have our brand protection team of Rob Siegel, Sean Banahan, to have us protect what you have built is on the dramatic rise. So my partner Rob and Sean are awesome, awesome professionals, and I'm proud of the Amazon sellers. I'm proud of my partner and his team, and I just think that if you want to build a long-term future, you need to own something, and owning your own brand, owning your own intellectual property, that is clearly the way to go. If you want to learn more about developing your own intellectual property rights, for a one-time donation of just $1 to this incredible foundation, the Ty Lewis Campbell Foundation, you can download the Amazon Seller's Guide to Trademark Law. You can download the Amazon Seller's Guide to Copyright Law, and these really take the law and make it really simple and usable for doing business in the age of Amazon.